Hi, my name is Attorney Sherry Stinson. Today, I want to talk to you about the importance of beneficiary designations as they relate to your estate planning. If you have bank accounts, 401ks, IRAs, annuities, life insurance policies, this video is for you. So let's talk about a big misconception. Many people think that just because they have a will, that everything they own will go according to the terms of the will. And this misconception can cause a lot of problems. People don't realize that they own two types of assets, things that are called probate assets, and which we need the court's help with, and things called non probate assets. Non probate assets are anything that we don't need the court's help with because we have another way to get those where they want to go. So, for example, if you have a beneficiary designation on a bank account, that's not considered a probate asset because you've told the bank how you want that asset to be paid out. So, for example, let's say you come and see me and you say, Sherry, I want everything that I own to go equally to my two kids. And I say, great. And I put this in writing for you. And while you're here, we talk about the beneficiary designations, but you forget about it. And then, unfortunately, you die. When you die, let's say you have a couple of different things. You have bank accounts, which are in your name alone. So, because they're in your name alone, and by the way, they don't have a beneficiary designation, now that asset goes according to the terms of the will, and it gets split equally between your two kids. Let's say now, for example, you own an IRA. And maybe on that IRA, you put your spouse as the beneficiary of the IRA. But unfortunately, your spouse died and you never made it back to your advisor to say, I need to change how this goes. But let's say you were smart and you put a second person on there. And that person you've now had a falling out with, and you're dead. And maybe that long lost sister who you liked when you put her on your account, but now you can't stand her. Guess what? She's going to get that particular asset. That asset will not go according to the terms of your will. So, number one, make sure you put something in writing. Make sure it aligns with the plan that you've got. Number two, make sure you review it. Failing to do those things can potentially destroy your estate plan and make things happen that you didn't want to happen. I work with so many people where we sit down and we discuss these things and I help you figure it out. I make it simple, I make it easy, and I make sure that what you want to happen actually happens. If we can help you, give us a call today. I'll be happy to sit down and explain these things to you and make your voice heard. Thanks for watching.